Namaskar, Namaskar, hello, Namaste, and Sanjay Kumar. So now we are going to see the this video on health sciences. Okay, this phase in recently video we have seen that I think we all of member have seen that I have made a video based on the aptitude test and the interest test. So in this video we'll see the various courses related to the health sciences. Okay, so let we will go to see that highest interest in the field of health and life sciences. So this video for that members. Okay, those who having higher interest in the health and life sciences. So we will see here. Everyone can get more information about it via this. So Kal Abhikshamta Chasni 2019 means it is already given. Most of students recently given this interest test in the month of March or February. Okay, February. So most of members means so many member requested to me, sir, please make one video based on the medical field, otherwise health and life sciences. So these are the seven of we all members means in a recently video I have seen that the health and life sciences, agriculture, commerce, arts, fine arts, technical and uniform services means most of members report indicates their interest highest report in various fields. So those who have highest uh, interest in the health sciences, okay, so for them I have made this video. Okay, you can see it. So it is the for the health and life sciences, so those who have a report in this field, so for them this video is there. So all members know that the after health sciences mean there is MBBS, BHMS, BAMS means this doctor to becoming only doctor. So most of members are trying for this NEET. Recently NEET exam is there for it, and most of members giving the NEET exam, but some members not applicable, some members not qualified in the NEET exam. But there is no need to worry about that members, because there are lot of number of courses, number of familiar courses includes in this field. So which are that familiar other career is also there. Where it is shown here, health and life sciences includes everything related to health. Maybe many more pharmacist is there, it is also parts of the health and life sciences, pharmaceutical. So MBBS, BHMS, BMS are more familiar to the people, means most of members know about it, and these are well known everywhere. But in this field also include BDS, means those who are the dental surgeon, bachelor of dental surgeon, then nursing is also there, then pharmacy is there, paramedical sciences is there. Paramedical means physiotherapist, lab technician, means number of is there, biomedical, veterinary is there, then healthcare, etc., fitness training, physiotherapy, yoga, nutrition, dietitian, okay, etc., various courses are there, and we can do the career in this field also. Okay, to learn more about, so Mahacareer Mitra is our government's Maharashtra state governments as well as Sham Chai Foundation launched this website, and enough information also available there. We can visit this for more videos and information on Mahacareer Mitra, and its Android app is there, you can also watch this. Okay, so in the that most important some tips given here. In the 21st century there are unlimited opportunities in all fields, means if you go in the agriculture, number of activities, number of opportunities are there. Okay, for example agriculture field is there. Agriculture means not the only farmer, so those who otherwise those things produced in the agriculture, so after that processing also includes based on agri based industries. So one by one we'll uh, uh, see this. So now we are going to study about the various, we are going to see the various courses, various degrees, diplomas after 10 10 12, which are that. So all of wish you all the best for the to choosing this field. So we'll look that. Okay, so here our page is given here. Here, what you can explore to pursue your interest in the field of health and life sciences. So after the 10th class, okay, without going to the 11th and 12th science, okay, so you can do the some courses like certificate courses by MS, BV and other certificate courses. Maharashtra State Board of Vocational Education and other certificate courses are there. You can do that courses. For example, X-ray technician is there. Okay, laboratory technician is there. Getting it? So X-ray technician, operation theater technician, optometry means those who are doctors, eye surgeons are there. So they are also having some supporting staff. For example, uh, X-ray technician, physiotherapist, many more persons, professionals they require in the health science field. So that can select by this way. Then higher secondary vocational education (HSC) means after the 10th class, this course also can done. ITI courses are there, industrial training also includes in this. Then polytechnics are there. After the SSC diploma course is there, 3 years. Getting it? So SSC science means after the 10th, these A, B, C, D, and E. These five fields are there. So you can choose any certificate course by Maharashtra State Board of Vocational Education and other certificate courses are also there. Lab technology. So certificate and degree course, certificate and diploma course is there. You can do that. Then higher secondary vocational courses also there. MCVC like this courses are there. ITI course includes polytechnic is there and SSC means 12th science is also there. So which are the certificate course? So Maharashtra State Board's vocational educations and other certificate includes 6 months to 1 years. Their duration is there. They required eight or 10th pass, and you can do the direct admission. So and which skill requires you? So specific skills and eligibility leading to employment or self-employment after the completion of the, for example, physiotherapist course you done certificate course. Otherwise, lab technician. Otherwise, X-ray technician. So you can start the you can getting the employment in the laboratory. Okay, where their lab is there. Okay, diagnostic center is there. So you can get the employment there. Otherwise, you can start the lab also, X-ray lab. Then option to earn and pursue higher education external. And this course there is no necessary to all time attendance. You can do these pursue this course externally also. During this course you can do the job. Means you can earn also. You can work also while working. This course are applicable. Then higher secondary vocational courses. So in this after 10th class, its duration is 2 years. Eligibility 10th class admission direct or online is there for some course are online is there for some direct is there. Specific skills eligibility leading to employment of after these courses we can get the employment. Otherwise we will start our own this profession own work. So admission to second year of post SSC diploma and other undergraduate course. After this completion undergraduate courses you can get the admission. Option to earn and pursue. Here also you can earn means work as well as you can do the education. You can pursue the education. So ITI courses, industrial training institute. So its duration is 1 to 3 years. Eligibility 10 pass is there. Admission centralized. www.dvet.government.in on this website. Everywhere means government starts the admission process. Okay, here on this website, getting it. So you can apply for the admission and you can get the admission. So specific skills, eligibility, and leading to employment or self-employment. After these courses, you can get the employment as well as you can start your self-employment. Then admission to second year of post SSC diploma and other undergraduate courses. Also. Undergraduate courses you can direct after this you can get the direct admission in second year after the completion of ITI. Then option to earn and you can use these are the part time. Otherwise, we can say it's externally. You can work as well as will do this courses. Getting it? So that's why you can pursue these courses. Then polytechnics. In the polytechnics, after the post SSC means after the 10th, so many courses are there. 3 to 4 years duration is there for these courses. Then eligibility 10 pass eligibility is there. Admission process centralized is there. Okay. So for state board candidates, we have passed the mathematics, means that mathematics score is given here 71, and science and technology are only eligible for the admission. For the polytechnic, means in the 10th class, you should have to take on the math and science is compulsory for the 10th. Optionally, some members selects another subjects at the 10th class, but for the polytechnic, these two subjects are compulsory here. Option to earn, and during the while pursuing the polytechnic diploma courses, so you can work as well as you can do it externally also. Means this option is there. Means those who are the poor, means those who are not having ability to learn, otherwise economical weakness, poor, means fair condition is not there. So you can also pursue these courses, and you can also earn. Means at that same time you can do this. Then after the HSC, after the 12th class, which courses are there? So we are going to hear SSC science. Okay. So 2 years is there, SSC 11th and 12th. After the 10th class, you can get the admission direct and online. This type of colleges means everywhere is there. Two options are there: biovocal sciences and general sciences. There are many options after 12th science. You know that. The common entrance exam of NEET is mandatory for the admission to the MBBS. Means if you decided to pursue the MBBS, so all India levels NEET entrance exam is there, and entrance exam is there for the these medical sciences courses. So that entrance exam's name is the NEET, and NEET is must necessary to give all. Okay, means it is a mandatory, and you should have to secure the merit also to get the admission. So here shown that the MBBS, for MBBS dentistry means BDS, Bachelor of Dental Sciences. Getting it? Then MBBS is everyone gives the first choice for the MBBS. Then afterward MBBS nursing is there, BSc nursing. Its admission also you can get by the you can get admission this by the entrance exam. Then paramedical sciences is there, various undergraduate courses are there. Then FMC, Armed Force Medical College is there. Its independence exam is there. Okay, FMC this. Getting it? This FMC. FMC means Armed Force. After the 12th means I think 200 seats are there. Okay, 200 seats are there. 200 seats are there for FMC. Its college, Armed Force Medical College, is located here in the Pune, year in the month of February. Okay, means October, November, its application, online application starts there. So you can apply this, and afterward you have to give the entrance exam organized at the central, means all India level. Okay, so after that exam, all India levels exam, you can do, you should have to secure some merit. 200 seats will be filled there. Out of these 270 seats are reserved for the women. SC ST reservation is also there. 70 seats, not 70%, sorry, 70 seats are reserved for the females. Okay, 70 seats are reserved for female, means 130 seats are for the male. And in that males you can take the, means females also can secure the merit, and they can obtain more the post, but 70 posts compulsory filled by the female only. So after the completion of 5 years, this FMC, means FMC, you are getting the admission, all types of facility, everything is free is there for the Central Defense Ministry. And after 5 years completion of this course, you are getting the, means you complete the MBBS, and afterward you are getting the posting. You are getting the posting where? At armed forces, Army, Navy, Air Force, as major, means you are becoming doctor of the armed forces. Okay, and compulsory 10 to 15 years service you should have to must have to give for the defense forces. Okay, and for that complete procedure is there, complete information is there. So for that I will make independent video based on the FMC admission process. Okay, then afterward MGIMS, Mahatma Gandhi Mission Institute of Medical Sciences, Wardha, it's also entrance exam is there. Okay, so for the MBBS how you can give it's information means based on it I will make independent video. Then physiotherapy also is there, occupational therapy, speech and audio therapy, then prosthetics and orthodontics, veterinary science, bachelor of BVSC. Okay, you know that the cattle farms are there, again animal husbandry there. So it is the bachelor of BVSC, veterinary and animal husbandry. It has also having the great scope. Okay, after completing this in Maharashtra state, you have enough opportunity. Okay, you are getting opportunity, and you can do the this degree, and after the completion of this degree you are getting employment as well as you can do the private practice, otherwise various firms of the otherwise government firms are also there, you can work there. Alternate medicine like homeopathy, ayurveda and Unani's admission, BHMS, BAMS, BAMS, BUMS, like these courses there. So you can pursue the admission through the need for these all courses. So afterward, diploma and degree courses in pharmacy can also be pursued after the 12th science. Degree and diploma courses also we can do after the 12th science. Okay, degree diploma courses. An entrance test conducted by the DT is mandatory for these degree courses in pharmacy. Okay, means MHT, MHCET. Maharashtra state government CET is must necessary for for to pursue the admission for diploma or degree course, diploma or degree course in pharmacy. So for that we should have to compulsory uh, means for pharmaceutical B.Pharm or D.Pharm, you should have to mandatory give the MHTCT exam and all these courses, medical sciences, MBBS, dentistry, nursing, paramedical, FMC, physiotherapy, like this government institute. If you want to admission, if you want to pursue the admission in the government institute, free of cost, everything is there. So you should have to give the this NEET is mandatory for all. So you can and another again many more courses are there. For more information, you can search for institute courses and trades in all the 7 fields also available. Your district or state level, and best friendly Mahacareer Mitra or Mahacareer Mitra mobile app is also available there. You can download it. Okay, it is by the government of Maharashtra and Shamchai Foundation initiative is there. It's, by this available for all. Okay, so next is that which ability should be there to pursue the admission in the health and life sciences. So it's given their logical and numerical aptitude, verbal aptitude, and spatial aptitude is almost required. In some specialized medical fields, you require at least average in spatial aptitude. Means minimum average your aptitude ability should be there. So what is it? Verbal aptitude is the ability of being able to express one's thought, opinion, and emotion through written or oral format. Means someone's expressions means this verbal means expressions, thinking, whatever. So emotions, opinions, thought, whatever. So you should be able to through written or oral format. Something someone is saying something. So what he is saying, you should have to able to write it. Otherwise, orally you can oral form you can explain. So how it can be improved? So verbal aptitude can be improved by reading books, newspaper, you read it, and writing it in your own words. Again, listening news, various discussions on the various channel. Okay, expressing one's thought and emotions in general or diary would also help improving verbal ability. So logical aptitude. So what is this? So logical aptitude measures the application of critical reasoning to given set of information like patterns, number sequence, and the relations between different symbols and shapes. Some types of various kinds of interrelations you should have to find out by this. For example, some diagrams will be given there, so you should have to find out similarity, differences, various shapes relates with these. So logical aptitude can be improved by asking why, what, and how. These questions have to ask to yourself, and you have to find seeking answer to them and staying curious to understand all the events around us. Then spatial aptitude. Spatial aptitude means, for example, some diagrams, understanding of different dimensions of space. It involves understanding changing patterns related to objects and events taking place in the given space. It also measures aptitude to visualize three-dimensional objects through two-dimensional images. So it is also most important. So it is also can improve by the real life exposure to object and structure, jigsaw puzzles, and learning to use different kinds of maps can help improve this ability. So next is that numerical, and these four types of abilities are most important for the health and life sciences. If you have to pursue the career, if your interest report indicates your higher interest in these health and lab sciences, so numerical ability is must required. So numerical, what is this numerical ability? So numerical aptitude assess the basic arithmetic functions and covers a wide range of mathematical concepts. Means numerical means various numbers, their series, percentage, proportion, ratio, simple interest, basic algebra, and geometry also includes it. So how it will be improved? So numerical aptitude can be improved by solving varied numerical questions regularly and focusing on the process of solving them, along with focusing on how to arrive at the solution. It will also be beneficial to seek multiple methods of solving the same question. So these type of various courses, degrees, diplomas are available in the fields of the health and life sciences. So best of luck for all. Definitely you have selected, means your report indicated that highest interest in this field, so you are very lucky. All of you, best of luck. And if you have any doubts, if any more information required, so you can drop the comments to me. Okay, so for further, if you like this video, so like it, share it to your friends, and subscribe the our channel. Thank you.